Hello students, I am here to discuss 45 questions, that is question number 1 to 45 from your major mock test dated 24th of December. The first question is, a graphic representation on biomass relationships between the producer and the consumer is called. Ecological system is not a graphical representation, niche is also not, answer is ecological pyramid. C. Food web is also not a representation. Coming to the second question, a food chain consists of producer, that means a plant. I'm just doing an example. Plant is eaten by a deer, deer is eaten by a fox, fox is eaten by a lion. So plant and these three are consumers. So it's both producers and consumers. Coming to the third question, the second most important trophic level in lake is, the first trophic level is phytoplanktons, the second trophic level is zooplankton. So answer is B. Large fishes will become T4 and fishes will be T3. Going next, the total amount of organic matter that plants produce by photosynthesis is called. Since the option is saying total, the answer is going to be gross primary productivity. The primary word is specifically for T1 or plants. Going to the next question, children. Herbivores are, remember the same food chain that I discussed right now. Plant eaten by a deer, deer by a fox, fox by a lion. So T1, T2, deer is a herbivore since it's eating a plant. It is also called the primary consumer. Okay, so herbivores are primary consumers, T2, and D option says both T2 or consumers of the first order. These are the first consumers. So answer is option D. Going to the next one. Sixth question, food chain consists of plant, herbivore, carnivore, all of this. So answer is option D. Autotrophs would mean plants or producers and they are always at T1. So answer is option A. Eighth question, which component is not related with abiotic component of ecosystem? Water is, humus and urea is, mountain is, fungus is not. Fungus belongs to biotic component. So the answer is option D. Next question, which statement is correct? Primary consumers are first order consumers. Let's look at this over and over again. Yeah, so if you look at this again, the fox is a secondary consumer, or you could call it T3 level, okay, or it is the second order consumer, whereas lion is T4 level or tertiary consumer or third order consumer. So let's see. Which of the statement is correct? Primary is first order consumer is correct. Secondary is primary carnivore is correct. Tertiary consumer is secondary carnivore is correct. So answer should be option D, all of these. Okay. 10th question, if a bamboo plant is growing in far forest, then what will be its trophic level? You know, it's a plant, it's a producer, it's always going to be the first trophic level. So answer is option A. Going to the 11th one, which of the following has an upright pyramid in all ecological parameters? By ecological parameters, you know, there are three pyramids. Pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy. Okay. Now, in aquatic ecosystem, the pyramid of biomass is inverted. So this cannot be the answer. Grassland has all three pyramids upright. One tree in forest is an inverted pyramid. And none of this cannot be the answer. So answer is option B. Find out the correct sequence. T1 primary consumer, wrong, plant is a producer. T2 primary producer, wrong, producer is T1. T3 secondary consumer, wolf, correct, answer is option C. Primary productivity is expressed in terms of kilocalorie per meter per year, this is the correct option. Kilocalorie into year upon meter, no. Year upon gram square, no. Kilocalorie upon meter square also, no. So answer is option A. Choose the incorrect statement. The rate of decomposition is controlled by climatic factors only. No, it's wrong, not only. Okay, there are other factors like presence of sugar, nitrogen, which will make the decomposition fast, chitin, lignin slow. So only makes it wrong. Plant capture 20 to 25% of power, galat, 2 to 10%. The value of power is more than 50%. No, it is 50%. So all of them are incorrect. Answer is option D. Mark the odd one out with respect to second trophic level. Okay, second trophic level will be a herbivore. So grasshopper is a herbivore, cow is a herbivore, and zooplanktons eat phytoplanktons. They are also herbivores. So correct answer is option A, fish. Which of the following represent largest man-made ecosystem? Zoo, garden, aquarium, agrosystem. Answer should be D, agrosystem. Agricultural land covers major part of man-made ecosystem. The rate of formation of new organic matter by cow, you know, cow is T2 level, okay, and therefore it's called secondary productivity. Answer is option B. The upright pyramid of number is absent in. The pyramid of number is inverted in which ecosystem? It is in forest. What happens in forest? One tree feeds thousands of insects. So it's an inverted pyramid of forest. Which of the following is the most stable ecosystem? Answer is oceans. There are minimum changes happening in ocean. Okay. Choose the odd one with respect to functional aspects of ecosystem. Ecosystem के चार functions है P, D, E, N. P, D, productivity, decomposition, energy flow and nutrient cycling. अब energy flow, decomposition, nutrient cycling तीनों functions है. So answer is option C. Species composition is a structural part of ecosystem and not functional. So the answer is option C. Raw material for decomposition is represented by dead organic matter called the detritus. Children, ये बहुत important NCERT की line है. Detritus forms the raw material for decomposition. Which one of the following animals may occupy more than one trophic levels? Okay. Sparrow eats a seed, so it becomes T2 level, first consumer. If sparrow eats insect, it becomes T3 level. So sparrow can occupy two trophic levels. Even human can eat plant sources, so it can be a herbivore, it can eat flesh, it can be a carnivore. So answer is both A and C. And frog, you know, is a carnivore. Which of the following option is correct? Food chain follows single path, correct. Food web follows many paths, correct. Food web is a connection of many food chains, correct. So answer is all of these. All are correct. Identify the possible link A in the following food chain. Plant eaten by insect, insect eaten by frog, frog eaten by A, and A eaten by eagle. The most probable answer is A, cobra. Parrot, rabbit won't eat a frog, so will wolf. Wolf will feed on a land animal. Which type of pyramid is always upright, never inverted? Answer is energy pyramid. Bold capitals, italics में याद रखने का. Energy pyramid is never inverted. Coming to 26th question, that's from locomotion chapter. Let's match the columns. Scapula is a flat triangular bone, so A goes with S. Cranium is fibrous joints, immovable joints. Sternum is flat bone, and vertebral column is cartilaginous joint. So, we are looking for option which is SRQP. AP wrong, AQ wrong, AS correct. So, SQRP correct. Answer should be option C. Coming to 27th question, which of the following pairs is incorrect? The first one says hinge joint between humerus and pectoral girdle. This is wrong. It is a ball and socket joint. Pivot between atlas axis correct. Gliding between carpals correct. Saddle between carpal and metacarpal of thumb correct. So answer is option A. Coming to another match the column. Fibrous joints are immovable, so should be R. Skull does not show any movement. Cartilaginous joint slight movements है तो adjacent vertebrae. Hinge joint है, knee helps in locomotion, and therefore ball and socket is humerus with pectoral girdle. So we look for an option which is RPSQ. RPSQ. So answer is option D. The progressive degeneration of skeletal muscle due to genetic factor. Myasthenia gravis is autoimmune, so ruled out. Arthritis is inflammatory, degenerative, old age related. Muscular dystrophy is genetic. Tetany is caused by low calcium levels in your blood. So answer is option C. Identify the flat bones from the following. Scapula is a flat bone, ribs are flat, sternum flat, clavicle not flat. So answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. 31st question, children. Select the correct answer. Each limb consists of 30 bones, correct. 6 bones of appendicular skeleton are a part of girdles, absolutely correct. So both are correct. Answer is option C. Going to 32nd, scapula is a large flat bone of the pectoral girdle situated in dorsal part of thorax between 2nd to 7th ribs. Very important, directly NCERT का line है. So answer is option D. Coming to 33rd one, identify the correct statement. Head of humerus articulates with glenoid cavity of pelvic girdle. Pelvic wrong है. Head of humerus articulates with glenoid cavity of pectoral. ये सही है. Answer is option B. Let's see C and D में क्या गलत है. Head of humerus articulates with cavity called acetabulum. Wrong. Head of humerus articulates with acetabulum of pectoral girdle. यहाँ पे acetabulum भी wrong और pectoral भी wrong. So answer is option B. Coming to 34th question, children. Let's see what are the bones. This bone, सबसे आगे वाला bone, frontal, the roof of your head, parietal, and पीछे वाला bone, occipital, So occipital, parietal, frontal, ABC. Occipital, frontal, wrong. Occipital, parietal, frontal. Answer is option B. Find the correct answer. Ribs have two articulation surface on its ventral end, wrong on the dorsal end, and therefore called bicephalic. False ribs are vertebrochondral ribs. ये correct है. So only 2 is correct. Which of the following aspects of evolution is shown by Darwin's finches? Darwin, you know, visited Galapagos Island, where he noticed small little birds called finches, Darwin's finches later on. The original seed-eating finch went on to different geographical areas, became cactus-eating one, insect-eating one, so on and so forth. So, isolation due to geographical barrier. Answer is option A. Example of convergent evolution. You know convergent evolution कौन से organs में होता है? Analogous organs में होता है. और कब होता है? जब different kind of animals or organisms come and live in the same habitat. तब भी होता है. So Darwin's finches and marsupial moles, no. Placental wolf and Tasmanian wolf, correct. ये marsupial है और ये placental है. Lemur and spotted cuscus, correct. So answer should be both B and C. Coming to the 38th question, children, let's smash the columns. Adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation के लिए Darwin's finches example है. S. Convergent evolution. Wings of butterfly and bird. Analogous organs है तो convergent evolution करते हैं. So R. Divergent evolution. Homologous organs. Bones of forelimbs in man and whale. Q. Evolution by anthropogenic action. What do you mean by anthropogenic action? ह्यूमन इंटरफियरेंस से अगर कोई एवोल्यूशन होता है, जैसे कि सिलेक्शन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंट वेराइटीज ड्यू टू एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ हर्बिसाइड्स. सो आंसर इज पी. सो वी हैव टू लुक फॉर एन ऑप्शन सेइंग SRQP. SRQP पहला ही आंसर सही है, बाकी 3 गलत. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. The theory of saltation. What is saltation? Large single step mutation. This theory is also called the theory of mutation. This theory was given by Hugo de Vries. Haldane is responsible for chemical evolution. Haldane gave the theory of chemical evolution. Right? Let's go next. Mark the correct statements. Let's see which are the correct statements. Wings of insect and bats are analogous. Correct है. Insect, arthropoda, bat, mammal, इनमें कोई common ancestry नहीं है, analogous है. Homology in vertebrate brain indicates common ancestry. ये भी correct है. Theory of acquired characters was given by de Vries. Wrong. The acquired character theory was given by Lamarck. In fact, the theory is called Lamarckism. After industrialization, white moth population decreased due to predators. ये सही है. So mark the correct statements. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3 wrong. 1, 3 wrong. 3 wrong. 1, 2 and 4. Answer is option D. The extinct human who lived 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago in Europe, Asia, parts of Africa, with short stature, heavy eyebrow ridges, retreating foreheads, large jaws, heavy teeth, stocky bodies, a lumbering gait and stooped posture, is Homo neanderthalensis or Homo Neanderthal man. Okay, answer is option C. This is directly a line picked up from NCERT. Coming to 42nd. Homo sapiens arose during the Ice Age between 75,000 to 10,000 years ago. D. Okay, 75,000 years ago will be early and 10,000 years ago will be late. So the numbers are like this because it's years ago. Okay, so this answer wouldn't be right even though the numbers are same. Not this either and not this. Who out of the following buried the dead? Answer is again Neanderthal man. The flippers of penguin and dolphin are examples of convergent evolution, children. They are analogous organs. These organs are the ones which have same function but different structures and no common ancestry. So answer is option C. Coming to the 45th question, a study of fossils in different sedimentary layers indicate historical period, no. Geological period, yes. Only extinct organisms, no. Even if they are dead animals and they are living, means they have, even if the animals are dead, not extinct, their fossils can be found. So answer is option B. That's it from my end for this major mock test. All the best for your upcoming exams. God bless you all.